In an industry with tight profit margins, fierce competition and strict compliance requirements, having the right business management software is critical to maintaining and growing market share and profitability. With the right process and the right partner, implementing integrated business software can remove the barriers that are holding your company back. Introducing Fooddynamics for food processing industry, a product developed by TechMinds Group and powered by Microsoft Dynamics platform, is an integrated all-in-one business management software, connects departments, data and processes into a single cloud ERP. Fooddynamics gives you the insight, visibility and control needed to take your business to the next level. From the moment materials and ingredients enter into your facilities until the finished product is delivered to your customer. Fooddynamics ERP and food safety systems can help manage every aspect of your business. By moving all of your data and workflows from multiple independent platforms into a single cloud ERP, you ensure superior data integrity, production management and manufacturing processes, quality control, compliance, safety, sales, delivery, finance and forecasting. A unified solution that supports FSS AI initiatives. While it handles the vital features like product recall and traceability, shelf life management, recipe and nutritional information. This is your all-in-one nature of the solution. Remove silos with full capabilities on desktop, tablet or mobile, on-prem or in the cloud. With all your business data at your fingertips, real-time, you can have the rich-looking dashboards for each user role to make smarter business decisions. Introducing Fooddynamics for food processing industry, a product developed by TechMinds Group and powered by Microsoft Dynamics platform.